Hello, and welcome back to Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz, located in Windsor, Ontario. My name is Lucas Lenarduzzi, and today we are talking about Mercedes-Benz Service B. Now, what is Service B, you ask? Service B offers a full suite of maintenance tasks that we perform to ensure your Mercedes-Benz is driving at its best. This is what you receive for Service B: synthetic motor oil replacement, oil filter replacement, all fluid level checks and corrections, depending on factory recommended service intervals for your vehicle's year and model, tire inflation check and correction, we'll reset your service maintenance counter, brake component inspection, cabin filter and dust filter replacement. Now, when is it time for Service B? Typically, you'll be coming into Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz to get Mercedes-Benz Service B done every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Suppose you drive in an unusual way that impacts your time between Service B appointments, or you simply don't want to remember your next interval. In that case, the Mercedes-Benz flexible service system is here for you and will take care of waiting for the next service appointment. If it's time for Service B, you'll see 2 wrenches lit up on your main console. This contrasts the single wrench you'll see when it's time for Service A. Is Mercedes-Benz Service B costly? Well, the costs vary by make and model year. To find current pricing for your specific vehicle, reach our service center for an estimate. You can also check the service specialist at Overseas Motors Mercedes-Benz in Windsor, Ontario. Well, that's it for Mercedes-Benz Service B. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great day.